Once upon a Halloween night, in a world where magic is real and laughter fills the air, witches and wizards are busy preparing for the most enchanting party of the year. In one corner, we have Willow the Witch, stirring up her famous laughing potion. A sip of this and you're in for a giggle marathon. Over there is Wally the Wizard, his wand weaving a levitation spell. Look at those pumpkins go. Can you count the floating pumpkins? For a perfect Halloween potion, you need the wackiest ingredients. Dragon scales for shimmer, unicorn hairs for sparkle, and don't forget rainbow sprinkles for extra fun. Yes, you heard it right, folks. Potion making isn't just about the magic, it's about the ingredients too. Just imagine a pinch of pixie dust for a touch of whimsy, a dash of moonbeam honey for sweetness, and ghost pepper for that unexpected kick. And oh, let's not forget the giggles of a baby gnome captured at twilight, to make the potion bubble with mirth. Now, look at these adorable young witches and wizards, all decked out in their magical attire, trying their hand at potion making. They're mixing, stirring, and laughing with glee. Oops! See that potion over there? It's overflowing with green foam. A gentle reminder to our budding sorcerers. Remember, always stir counterclockwise. Wow! Look at those reactions. I guess some of these potions have surprising effects. Just imagine this. You've stirred up your potion, added a dash of dragon scales, a sprinkle of unicorn hairs, and a handful of rainbow sprinkles. The potion bubbles and hisses, changing colours like a magical kaleidoscope. And then, the moment of truth, you take a sip. One little witch took a gulp of her potion and suddenly she's floating in mid-air, giggling as her feet kick at nothing but air. Another wizard apprentice took a swig, and voila, he's invisible. All you can see is his robe and hat moving around on their own. How's that for a disappearing act? A group of little wizards and witches tried a potion together, and the next moment, they're all speaking in funny, squeaky voices, like they've inhaled a balloon full of helium. Laughter echoes around the room as they try to talk to each other, their words coming out in high-pitched squeaks and chirps. And then there's the witch who drank a potion and started hiccuping bubbles. Yes, you heard that right. Bubbles! Each hiccup sends a flurry of shiny, floating bubbles into the air. With each potion, there's a new surprise. It could be a tickle in your toes, a twitch in your nose, or even a sudden burst of laughter. Who knew magic could be so hilariously unpredictable? I guess some of these potions have surprising effects. So, on this Halloween night, remember, magic is everywhere, especially when you're with friends, making memories that last forever. As the cauldron's fire flickers and the potion bubbles, the real magic begins to unfold. It's not about the shimmering dragon scales or the twinkling unicorn hairs. It's not even about the rainbow sprinkles that add a dash of fun to every concoction. The true magic lies in the laughter echoing through the air, the wide-eyed wonder at a potion changing colour, and the shared excitement of a spell well done. It's in the high fives and the giggles when a potion overflows, the playful nudges when a spell doesn't quite go as planned. It's in the shared triumph when a potion finally tastes just right, and the collective gasp when a levitation spell actually works. These are the moments that make this Halloween night truly magical. Look around, see the joy in the eyes of our young apprentices as they dance around the cauldron, celebrating their successful potion making. Their faces, lit by the glow of the cauldron, are a testament to the power of friendship and shared experiences. This is the magic that no witch or wizard can conjure alone. It's a magic that only comes alive when we're together, creating, laughing, and making memories. So as the night draws to a close and the last of the potions are sipped, remember this: the magic of Halloween doesn't vanish when the costumes come off and the decorations are put away. It lives on in the stories we share, the friendships we forge, and the memories we make. Did you enjoy our magical adventure? Don't miss out on more fun with Ashes Day. Hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share with your wizard and witch friends. Let's brew some more magic together.